Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss flabby skin. According to Chinese medicine, spleen is in charge of muscles. People with nice functions of spleen and stomach can provide muscles with ample nutrition, making skin elastic and tight. These people can look younger than their peers. On the contrary, undesirable functions of spleen and stomach will lead to the reduction of skin elasticity and loosened skin at an early age. Scraping therapy can be concentrated on reinforcing the functions of spleen and stomach. Here we have the areas to be used: reflection area of the small intestine on the face, the reflection area of the large intestine on the face, and corresponding area of the spleen and the stomach on the spine. Recommended procedures: first, the reflection area of the small and large intestines on the face. Use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead the area. Next, the face. With the face smeared evenly with scraping cream for beautification, use the pulling method to scrape, that is, place the scraping plate on the palm and use 4 fingers to clamp the scraping plate with fingers detached from skin. Press while pushing the scraping plate down and up in slow and gentle whirling movements. The force of pressing should be greater than that of the pushing and moving. With one side of the cheek scraped, continue to scrape the other cheek. Next, corresponding area of the spleen and the stomach on the spine. Use the surface scraping and the dual angle scraping to scrape the area from up to down. Expert prompts. Excessive expelling of cutin will make skin thinner, resulting in the loss of natural protective screen of skin and making it more vulnerable to undesirable environment. At the same time, skin will become dry and sensitive, being apt to be loosened. Therefore, expelling the cutin once a week is enough. Oily and dusty face, or the face covered with cosmetics for a long time, or cosmetics not fully done away with, will lead to the blockage of pores, the imbalance of skin nutrition, and even inflammation. If such a state remains for a long time, there will be loss of skin tension and the phenomenon of loosened skin without elasticity. Therefore, it is very important to clean the face. Thank you for your attention.